Start with the name of Allah who is Rahman and Rahim. Mr. President, respectable teachers and my dear fellow, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to present my topic on world peace through dialogues. In a world often marred by chaos and discord, the pursuit of peace becomes not just a noble endeavor, but an imperative for the betterment of humanity. Peace is not merely the absence of conflict, it is a state of harmony, a condition where justice, understanding and compassion prevail. Mr. President, to achieve peace, we must first recognize our shared humanity, transcending borders of nationality, race, and religion. It requires a commitment to dialogue or confrontation, empathy or differences, and cooperation or competition. Education plays a vital role in fostering a culture of peace. By promoting tolerance, open-mindedness, and the appreciation of diversity, we empower future generations to reject the hatred and prejudice. Knowledge becomes the bridge that connects us, mutual respect and understanding. My dear fellows, an our interconnected world, technology and communication offer unprecedented opportunities for collaboration. Let us harness these tools to build bridge, not walls, to connect heart, not divide mind. When social media is used responsibly, can be a force for unity, amplifying voices that educate for peace, justice and human rights. Remember, peace is not a passive state, it requires active engagement. Each one of us has a role to play, whether in our communities or on the global stage. By promoting dialogue, understanding and respect, we contribute the creation of a world where the flame of conflict are extinguished and the light of peace illuminate our future. Mr. President, let's struggle for a world where the world peace is not just distant ideal, but lived reality. Together, with determination and compassion, we can create a legacy of peace for the upcoming generation. Thank you.